Officials on the Balearic Islands could be set to pull the plug on late-night drinking parties for the rest of the summer. A ban on late-night booze sessions is set to be extended in a bid to deal with high COVID-19 rates. Local politicians have previously enforced nighttime limits on social gatherings after 1 a.m. for Mallorca, Menorca, Ibiza, and Formentera. Under the regulations aimed at suppressing the coronavirus on the popular holiday islands, only people who live together will be allowed together. If signed off in the coming days, the rules will be enforced until September 15 and will hit tens of thousands of British holidaymakers. Spain and the Balearics are on the UK's amber travel list, meaning Brits are free to go on holiday there but must complete tests before and after they travel. Double-jabbed holidaymakers don't have to self-isolate when they return, but predominantly younger unvaccinated people need to stay at home for 10 days when they land. The finger of blame for steep infection rates has been pointed at alcohol-fueled meetups, particularly among people in their late teens and 20s. The government has set out key indicators that will trigger the enforcement of the new rules. When the 14-day average case rate surpasses 350 per 100,000 and a threshold for hospital occupancy is passed, social gatherings between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. will be banned. If the case rate rises further to 450 per 100,000 and wards are even more stretched, the ban will be extended to 1 a.m., unless they are cohabiting. As of Monday, the 14-day rate for the whole of the Balearics stood at 475 per 100,000, meaning the strictest set of restrictions would automatically come into force. The rise in cases has dropped off in recent days and could fall further but remains higher now than at any point since February. Health officials are expected to review the situation on August 23 and decide which measures to impose. Will be reviewed separately on each island every 15 days, meaning some resorts could see looser rules by early September. A government spokesperson said they were responding to the risk involved in social activities of a recreational and festive nature associated with the consumption of alcohol when people are less likely to wear masks or practice social distancing. The spokesperson added that the majority participating in these activities are young people, who belong to the segment of the population that is starting the vaccination process at the moment and which, therefore, are not yet protected against infection. The government said the measure will reduce the number of social contacts that would occur in situations of extreme risk of infection and implies a lesser impact on a social or economic scale than other actions aimed at restricting more generally areas of activity that involve a lower degree of relative risk.